Looking for the inside scoop to Langley schools and neighborhoods? You've come to the right place. The Langley School District lottery window is officially open. If you're hoping to get your child into one of Langley's programs of choice, like French Immersion, Montessori, Fundamental, or Fine Arts, now's your chance to apply. The lottery runs from October 6th to October 20th of 2025 for the school year of 2026 and 2027. In this video, I'll explain how the lottery system works, which programs use it, what makes each program special, and what families can do to improve their chances. The lottery system is used only for Langley's programs of choice, not for regular catchment schools. Here's how it works. Families apply online between October 6th to 20th of 2025. Children must turn 5 to enter kindergarten by December 31st, 2026. Each child can be entered into up to 2 programs of choice. If there are more applicants than spaces, all completed applications go into a random draw. A waitlist is created in that same order. If your child doesn't get in, they'll register at their catchment school in January, but stay on the waitlist in case a spot opens up later. Here's how to apply for Langley's programs of choice. First, you go to apoc.sd35.bc.ca and you'll want to register for access. Type in your email, create a password, name, and contact information. Once you create an account, you'll get an email and you'll need to click on the link to confirm your registration. Once you've registered, sign in, and now you're ready to apply. Click on the Enroll tab, and down below you'll see all your options for the different programs of choice. Choose up to 2. If you click on the How To tab, you'll find all the frequently asked questions and helpful information. If you still require help, you can contact them using the form down below. And if you come back to the Home tab, you'll find everything else you need to know about choice programs. You can always find the most up-to-date information by visiting sd35.bc.ca, hovering over Our Schools, and going down to click on Choice Program Registration. Here's how to make your application as strong as possible. List siblings currently enrolled in the same program at the same school. That gives you sibling priority. Langley residents are prioritized over out-of-district families. Double check every detail. Errors can cause delays or removal from the draw. Respond quickly. Families are notified on November 18th of 2025, and they have 48 hours to accept their spot. The lottery applies to these programs of choice across the Langley School District. There's the French Immersion program, offered at Belmont and James Kennedy for early immersion, which starts in kindergarten, and at Alex Opino Booth for late immersion, which has a grade 6 entry. French immersion students learn all subjects in French, developing bilingualism, critical thinking, and cultural awareness. Then there's Fine Arts at Langley Fine Arts School, beginning in kindergarten. Students explore music, drama, visual arts, dance, and writing as part of their core learning in an environment that encourages creativity and artistic expression. Montessori at Uplands Elementary is where hands-on, children-centered learning helps students develop independence, curiosity, and confidence. The program follows the Montessori philosophy of learning through exploration and responsibility. The Fundamental program at Coghlan Fundamental and Langley Fundamental Elementary offers a structured, skill-based learning with clear routines, traditional academic values, and strong family involvement. Then there's Langley Environmental Awareness Program, also called LEAP, at Fort Langley Elementary, and it's for kindergarten to grade 6. This program integrates environmental education, outdoor learning, and community-based projects to help students connect with nature and sustainability. Lastly, we have the UConnect, based at Simons Elementary. This hybrid learning program combines classroom time with online learning, offering flexibility for families who value personalized and self-paced education. Each program offers something unique, and the lottery gives every family a fair chance at these specialized opportunities. While the process is the same across programs, there are a few differences to note. French Immersion offers both early and late entry. The early entry starts in kindergarten, the late entry starts in grade 6. Fine Arts and Fundamental schools accept kindergarten entry only. Montessori and UConnect may continue to accept applications after the lottery if spaces remain, but those late spots are filled first come first serve. The LEAP and UConnect programs sometimes include extra steps like information sessions or interviews. For French Immersion and Fine Arts programs, October 20th 20th, 2025 at noon is the absolute cutoff. No late applications and no exceptions. Here are a few important reminders to note. Accepting a seat in one program removes your child from the other waitlist. Withdrawing from a program means losing that seat completely. You'd have to reapply next year. Late applications can't jump ahead on the waitlist. Placement priority is based only on the lottery results. Let's recap some key dates to remember. The lottery opens Monday, October 6th, 2025. Lottery closes Monday, October 20th, 2025 at noon. The results are sent Tuesday on November 18th, 2025, and they accept offers within 48 hours of notification. So that's how the lottery system works here in Langley. It's a fair and transparent process that gives all families an equal chance at Langley's specialized programs. While you can't change the odds, applying before October 20th, listing siblings correctly, and double checking your details is the best way to make sure your application counts. If you're watching this after the lottery window closes, don't worry. In my next video, I'll walk you through how catchment registration works, including documents, deadlines, and what to do if you're hoping for a cross-boundary placement. And as always, if Langley's on your radar, call me. I'd love to help you make it home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's explore Langley, where learning meets living.